Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit card login with Barclays detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your credit card login with Barclays, start by visiting the Barclays website. Locate the login section on the home page. Click on the Forgotten Password or Username link. You will be redirected to a new page with recovery options. Select whether you want to recover your password or username. If you choose to recover your password, click on the relevant option. Enter the required details, such as your credit card number and date of birth. Click on Continue to process your request. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You may receive a security code via email or text. Enter the security code when prompted. Once verified, you will be able to set a new password. If you need to recover your username, select the option for username recovery. You will again need to provide your credit card number and date of birth. Click Continue to proceed with the username recovery. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Upon successful verification, your username will be displayed. Make sure to note down your new password and username for future reference. After completing these steps, return to the login page. Enter your username and new password to access your account. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, you can contact Barclays customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.